Did DJI just accidentally drop the Osmo Mobile 8 on Amazon before the official party started? Today we're breaking down that early Amazon sighting, the FCC ID that already popped up back in July, the rumored November 2025 launch window, and what this could mean for creators this holiday season. Stick around because I'll tell you which upgrades actually matter and whether you should rush to upgrade or chill with your current gimbal. Where this all came from. Alright, quick timeline. An FCC listing from July showed Model D S308 with ID 2, ANDR-D S308. People started talking, and now an Amazon US listing has apparently leaked images and box photos. Big name leakers picked up on real retail shots, not renders. You know what's funny? The timing seems deliberate. After the iPhone 17 Pro announcement, when phone camera modules got heavier, DJI often followed with hardware tuned to those phones. Rumor central points to a November 2025 reveal. Perfect for holiday shopping. Later, I'll tell you the one tiny change that could make this a must-buy for vloggers. The headline numbers? Here's what the rumor sheet is shouting. Upgraded 3-axis stabilization with stronger motor torque for smoother pans. ActiveTrack 8.0 is the potential AI tracking upgrade, and we're hearing standard LiDAR for better depth sensing and low light tracking. Battery life looks promising at 10 to 12 hours. Modular accessory support appears more polished, with a multifunctional add-on that includes an integrated LED light and wireless mic reception reportedly compatible with DJI mic series. Price whispers range from $99 to $199 for the standard model, with a Pro version around $159 to $179. That pricing keeps DJI in creator-friendly territory. What actually changes for creators, okay? This is the juicy part. The Osmo Mobile 8 is said to go full black, ditching the lighter colors, and keep the built-in extension rod and tripod that creators love for quick setups. There's talk of a wider magnetic phone clamp built to handle heavier phones like the current top-tier devices. Full 360-degree panning support is apparently on the menu, which would unlock cooler shots without awkward mounts. Apple Dock kit support could let your iPhone use its native camera for auto tracking without extra apps, while DJI's Mimo remains an option. The multifunction module with light and tracking camera could finally make pocketable run and gun setups legit for low light or fast moving subjects. Trust me on this one, if ActiveTrack 8 is actually as responsive as rumors suggest, this will save a lot of annoying reframing. Practical advice. If you own an Osmo Mobile 7 or 7 Pro and you only vlog lightly or do casual stabilization, this might feel like an iterative refresh rather than a revolution. But if you rely on your gimbal for longer shoots, low light tracking, or work with heavier phones, the stiffer motors, LiDAR, and better tracking could be worth the jump. Pro tip, weigh battery improvements and the multifunction module more heavily if live streaming or long shoots are your thing. If DJI prices the Pro model close to the rumored range, some creators will see it as a no-brainer. So, Osmo Mobile 8 spotted on Amazon US, FCC breadcrumbs, November 2025 rumors, and a feature list that reads like a creator wish list. Would you upgrade if ActiveTrack 8 and LiDAR are real, or would you wait for hands-on reviews? Drop your take in the comments because I want to know what would make you switch. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the review when it lands. Thanks for watching. Peace.